What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at this addition and remodel job, and there's been quite a few changes since last time I recorded here and have shown you guys anything. I don't know exactly what the last video had, but we have all these black aluminum railings on the front porch here. We have the whole kitchen is pretty much complete. We got railings in here. Let's start upstairs. So railing got painted black, which looks very nice. I think it is tying everything together in this house very well. With we have black windows, white everywhere else, and then your black railing in the stairwell. This staircase and this office room here got painted white, and it is kind of nice. It just disappears almost in here. I think it looks very well. You can see the homeowners are starting to get some of their personal touches in here. Extra bed in case they have a guest. They got this nice light. It's pretty cool looking. Come around here, another light hung here. Fan in the master. They got some of their furniture in here. Another bed in this bedroom here. And then the bathroom is moving along. This tile came out very nice. White and black penny round design on the floor. Subway tile all the way up the walls. The shower still needs to get done. I believe the tile guy is coming later this afternoon, and he's gonna start working on this. The floor is done already, but he's got to get all the walls done, the seat, and this little step right here, plus this whole side. So he's got quite a bit of work in here. The plumber is coming today as well, so he's got to put this piece of baseboard on and then set the tub. He's also got to finish some of these traps. Yeah, this trap, that one's done. He's got to finish this and then test everything here, make sure there's no leaks. But this shower, or this bathroom, is coming out very nice. I think that is pretty much it for up here. We'll head downstairs and go over things down there. We got a nice lock and handle on the door here. Nothing's really changed in this front room here. The kitchen is starting to look very nice. We got to set the stove once the plumber gets here, connect the gas. We have a dishwasher here that we need to set. The fridge is getting delivered, I believe, in 2 days from now. And we also have a backsplash going there and a backsplash going here, I believe. See, they got a couch down in here. They got a TV set ready to be hung. Laundry room is, I believe nothing's changed in here since the last video. They got these two cabinets with handles on. Obviously washer and dryer will go here. Those are getting delivered on Wednesday as well, so can't really do anything till they're here. And then this bathroom is looking very nice as well. All subway tile, this whole shower. Toilet is done. Vanity is done. We just need to silicone it and turn the water on. But I believe, yep, there's water in the toilet already. So everything has been tested to make sure there was no leaks. So we're in pretty good shape here. We just have some trim pieces to finish up on the cabinets, and then we also have knobs for all of the doors, which got delivered this morning. So those will all go on all the doors. These are the homeowners. I gotta talk to them. They ordered these, and I'm assuming since there's no handles, they want to just do a knob on the drawers as well. I'm gonna have to call them and talk to them about that. But I think that is it. Let me grab my shoes here. We'll go down in the basement. We're trying not to walk in this house. Keep it as clean as possible. Put that on. So we're we're barefoot, we're socks only in the house right now. But everything down here on the boiler is done, hot water heater, and this came out very nice. Plumber did a great job making this look nice and clean. And then over here we have 2 ball valves for all the water that goes out into the addition. That does the laundry room and the bathroom out in the back. So all you got to do is open these ball valves and you have water. And let me run outside real quick. Take my shoes off for a second. Turn that light switch off. I don't know if I've showed this yet. Brackets for that little roof. Those came out very nice. We had a guy weld them for us and then we painted them black and it looks very well. Also aluminum railing on this side porch as well. And then you guys might have seen this video, we did a fence install here, which took us all day. Me, Freddie, and Rodrigo did it, and I think it came out very nice. Goes all the way up to a little gate there and basically gives you some nice privacy over here. But that took us about, I don't know, 8 hours of work. We had to dig all the holes, mix all the concrete, set the posts, brace everything, set the panels. But overall, I think it is starting to look very nice. This house is coming together very well. All the black and white touches make it look very nice. But the homeowner is trying to get moved back in here this week, so we're here buttoning up everything. Hopefully we can finish pretty much all of this stuff today. We need the plumber to show up, we need the tile guy to show up and get that upstairs bathroom done, and once both of them get here and we can push them along, we should have no issue. Obviously Wednesday we'll have to come back here and finish the laundry room for the washer and dryer, and then finish the fridge in the kitchen, and that is pretty much it. But we're just gonna go through our punch list and finish things up in here, so I'm not really gonna record everything. I just wanted to show you where we're at now because we're pretty much almost at the finish line here. But if you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.